Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see private account photos on Instagram. So to do that, head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, just if your private account is your account and you want to see it, just log in with your password and credentials. If you can't log in with a password, just you can tap on forget password or forgot password and add your new password again. And if the account is not yours, let me show you some accounts. Like if we go to our profile and head over to a specific account like this one. And as you can see, this account is private, but they have 10 posts. But if we want to access their posts, what we have to do is just go to the search option right here, then go to the search. And here you have to search for a specific place they might have been to. So suppose I'm searching for this one. And here are the posts in which they have tagged the specific place which are searched of. And their account might be private, but their posts are showing in here because they have tagged the place. So yeah, this is how you can see private account photos on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.